Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story sound problem in iPhone. So guys, when you want to upload your story or want to see any story on Instagram and facing sound problem on your story, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, the main reason of your sound problem is update. So guys, simply you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and here you need to search Instagram. And after searching your app, simply you have to open your app, and guys, you need to update your app from here if not updated. And after doing this, you have to go back. And guys, after this you have to open your settings on your iPhone, scroll it below, click on general and click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this you have to open your Instagram and you need to offload your app. And after offloading, you need to reinstall again from App Store and log in again your account. And guys, after this you will be able to use any sound on Instagram story in your iPhone. So guys, after doing all the methods, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then you have to open your Instagram app. Click on your main profile icon, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy. And guys, you need to click on, here is the option of help, and click on report a problem, click on report a problem, click on include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem that you are facing related Instagram story. And after writing your problem, you need to write your username of Instagram account and email address for contact purpose. And you have to upload a screenshot of that error. And guys, after writing all the problem, simply you have to click on send. And after sending your problem, they will review your problem and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.